Hello friends, my name is Harshika and my today topic is gift of awakening, gift of Kundalini awakening and spiritual awakening is cosmic orgasm. This is the best gift of awakening. When your Kundalini start rising, you have a lots of psychic abilities. You have a lots of just like extra projection, telepathy, intuition. Your intuition powers getting very strong and powerful when your Kundalini start rising. So, cosmic orgasm is the best gift of awakening. People are having a so much confusion about this orgasm. They think this is a bad thing because of these things. A manic damnic attacks on you. You have in wrong path if this type of orgasm you have to feel. But this is all a wrong. This is all not true. Because cosmic orgasm is timeless, boundless, egoless. This is the most powerful and healing orgasm. This orgasm burn your all past life karma, clear your unconscious mind. So this is the best gift of awakening. This orgasm connect you from divine, transform you, transform your sexual energy into spiritual energy. This orgasm connects you from higher dimension. Sexual energy is three types of sexual energy. First type of sexual energy is for reproduction. Second type of sexual energy is for union, physical, mental and emotional union between male and female, two opposite polarity. And the third type of sexual energy is deepest. It's connect you from divine. This type of sexual energy only for your soulmates and twin flame. This is the deepest level of bond between heart to heart and soul to soul. So you there's a lots of confusion between sexual energy and lust. When Kundalini start rising, you feels a cosmic orgasm. Your sex drive is high. So this is not a bad thing. This is a best gift of your awakening because this is a type a sexual passion. You feeling a sexual passionate desire without a lust. Kama Agni Vasna Rahit means a sexual, passionate sexual desire but without lust. People's so confused about lust and sexual energy. Lust is blind for self satisfaction, for self desire, for self pleasure. When someone in lust, they can't see other person pain, other person emotions. They do anything to satisfy himself or herself. Lust can't see a difference between a man, woman, animal, anything. Lust is totally blind and self pleasure. So, this is a main difference between a lust and sexual energy. So, when your Kundalini arising, you feel a cosmic orgasm. Your sexual drives connect you from higher dimension. And this is the best gift of awakening. This is expand your consciousness level. Before this journey, I also think bad about a sexual energy. I also think this is a taboo. But my consciousness level is expand when I feel this cosmic orgasm inside me, and this is the best gift of Kundalini awakening because this is so powerful and healing and transform you from your divine source. This is also a spiritual sex. So this is my video about a cosmic orgasm. Thank you for listening.